Firefighters battling the massive wildfires in Southern California are once again facing powerful Santa Ana winds. The National Weather Service issued red flag warnings yesterday through 10 p.m. tonight. The fierce winds increase the risk the fires could spread and may help spark new fires. The wildfires across the LA area have killed at least 27 people, destroyed more than 14,000 structures, and charred some 60 square miles. Wow. And yesterday, former Vice President Kamala Harris traveled to California to help distribute food to victims and to thank fire crews in Altadena.